Hi guys, so let's start with the question of the day. So the question is from the topic orthopedics. Question goes like, in which of the following meniscal tear will meniscectomy will more be suitable option than meniscal repair? A. Tear in outer zone, B. Tear in middle zone, C. Tear in inner zone, or D. Tear in the junction of anterior horn of middle menisci and tibial collateral ligament. So for this question, first you need to know the blood supply of a meniscus. So in this question, first you see the blood supply. So it can be divided into three zones: the outer zone, the middle zone, and the inner zone. The outer zone, it is known as the red zone. The middle zone is known as the red white zone, and the inner zone is known as the white zone. In the red zone, it has the best blood supply, so it has the healing potential. In white zone, that is the inner zone, it has the worst blood supply because the blood supply comes from the periphery to the inner zone. So in the white zone, it has the worst blood supply and healing potential is not very good in this case. So for this question, as the blood supply is maximum in the outer zone, so healing will occur there, healing will occur fast. In the inner zone, healing will not occur. So you might have to do a meniscectomy in inner zone. So vascular supply is from the periphery. It is divided into three zones: red zone, that is the outer zone, which has the vascular zone. Second is the red white zone, that is the middle zone. And third is the white zone, that is the avascular zone. And meniscal repair, it is done for the red zone and the red white zone, that is the outer and the middle zones. For inner zone, we prefer meniscectomy. What are the indications for a meniscal repair? A. Peripheral location, that is the outer zone, red zone. Acute tears should be repaired and longitudinals are repaired. And also it is repaired with some associated injuries. For example, the ACL injury tear, that is the anterior cruciate ligament injury tear. Then also you have to repair the meniscal tear. So in this question, in which of the following meniscal tear will meniscectomy will be more suitable? For in meniscectomy, there are three zones. So the inner zone, where the blood supply is very less, it will not repair on its own. So the answer will be C, that is tear in the meniscal repair. So answer is C. Now with meniscus, when I was making this question, I came to remember the terrible triad of the knee. So you will tell me in the comment section, what is the terrible triad of the knee? I can give you a hint. The mnemonic is MAM. Very easy mnemonic, but you have to tell me the answer. So this is a very short video, but this question is a PYQ. That is, I wanted to discuss this, and it is a very ignored PYQ. Also, thank you guys for watching this. Kindly share this with your friends. Thank you.